How to recover Telegram deleted messages. So if you want to recover Telegram deleted messages, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you just need simply go with your files, go with File Manager. Under File Manager, you need to go with internal storage. From the internal storage, you need to scroll down and go with the Android section. From the Android, you can go with Media, and from Media, if you scroll down, you will find an option of Telegram. So go with org.telegram.messenger and then go with the Telegram folder and go with Telegram images and videos. So from here, you will have your images and videos, but you won't be able to have your messages. So if you have not backed up your Telegram messages, you won't be able to restore your chat history, but you will have your Telegram images or your videos right here. Or you can also go with the support page or help email of Telegram and then send them an email that you want to recover your deleted messages, and you might receive your deleted messages from the Telegram itself. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.